Before I say anything, I want to make una watch this video before I say anything.
Talk say ordinary president. I hear say our past leader don't sell our crude oil up front. Nigeria no get crude oil to sell to Dangote again. Me too, I hear that thing. Say all this money where they borrow during Buhari time, they use our crude oil where we never produce, give them as a security to collect the money up front. That's what I hear. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, President.
Yes, sir.
It's not a rumor.
Oh, it's not a rumor.
Yeah, they sold it. It was a swap bid done by Mele Kyari.
This same Mele Kyari.
$3 billion.
$3 billion.
$3 billion. And they still apply again. They want to do same. It was done under Buhari and collected $3 billion. Now they want to swap again, multiply our resources and collect another, I think, is it 2 or 3 billion. Still, they are still on the process. But it's not a rumor. It was done and sealed. So we have no crude oil for now. It has been mortgaged. That is the fact. So it's not a rumor.
Thank you very much. Make we appreciate elder statesman.
Do you see? You come out and doing protests saying that you are fighting for your future. You are fighting for your children. You are fighting for your children's children. Your children's children, you say that you are fighting for. You are fighting for your country. Our leaders don't sow the country. The sufferness where we are suffering today in Nigeria, our children will suffer it. The sufferness that we are suffering today in this country called Nigeria, our children will suffer it because our leaders, they have sold this country. Our leaders, they have sold our future. They don't sell our children's future. What a country. What a country. May God Almighty that created heaven and earth judge all these politicians that are putting us in this suffering. You people put us in trouble. We are suffering in this country and you people are rejoicing. Driving private jet, having money. All your children is in outside country where the poor people are suffering. Sometimes government hospital will be on strike. Oh Lord Almighty, I pray that all these politicians that are putting us in this trouble, that you will judge them one by one. As Nigerians are crying and they are rejoicing, Father, from now going on, let them start crying. Oh Lord, bring trouble among them, inside their family, inside them. Father, judge them one by one. Judge them one by one.